short video I want to show you how I made my recording, my mix of my latest cover from Fleetwood Mac, Go Your Own Way. For this cover I used a drumless track from karaokeversion.com, so I could use the separate instruments on separate tracks, so you can see this here. On some of the instruments I use some plugins, some effects from Waves to get a better sound, because the sound is not always so good, I think. I sent all the separate tracks from the song to a song bus over here. After that I used Superior Drummer for my drum samples. For this song I used a clean kit. I did some adjustments for myself and made my own preset of this kit. I used it also for the song from Robbie Williams. This is a beautiful kit, a great sound. So you can see in the mixer I didn't use any effects. So you can see it's a really clean kit, and the mixing I did completely in Reaper. I used on the kick the TDR Nova plugin, and I did some adjustments in some frequency to get a better sound that I liked. And I also used a plugin from Waves to make a more fat kick sound. I can show it to you if you want. I like this sound. I also did the same approach on the snare. I used only some EQ. I tried to get the best sound of it, and I think it was a good result. I did only some slight EQ on the toms and on the floor tom, and on the overheads I used some EQ, some reverb, and also a plugin to get a bright cymbal sound. Therefore I used the Red 7051 plugin from Waves, and I used a preset for overheads mics, and I think it was a nice sound I achieved. After that I sent all the tracks from the drums to a drum bus. This is not really a SD3 drum bus, but I gave it this name. I also sent the kick, the snare and the toms to the drum compression bus. There I used a standard plugin from Reaper and did some compression on that instruments. I sent also the toms and the floor to a tom compression bus. There I used the Sheps plugin, and I also used a preset from Sheps to get a more fat sound from the toms. I like it very much. I can let you hear it, I hope. It's a little bit difficult to hear the difference, but there is some difference. And I made a snare reverb bus. I sent the snare also, the sound of the snare also to this reverb bus to get some more reverb, some more deepness in the snare sound. Those 4 buses I sent to my drum bus at the beginning of my project. This is a drum bus, so I can adjust the volume of all the drum buses here at once, and then I mixed the drum bus and the sung bus in my mixed bus to get a final sound. On the mixed bus I used also a EQ from Terra Nova. There is no presets used, only my I use my own taste, and I mixed it on my monitor speakers. I also used the Kramer tape simulator for a more warm sound, and this bus is sent to the master bus, and on the master bus I used my new plugin from Waves, the GG Mastering plugin, for a more bright sound. I don't know if you can hear, but I will try to let you hear the difference with and without the plugin.
Loving you isn't the right thing to do. How can I ever change things that I feel? If I could,
This is without.
maybe I'd give you my word. How can I when you
with.
won't take it from me? You can go your own way. Go your own way.
It gives some more extra volume and also some more high frequency. I like this plugin very much, and it's for me a little bit easier to get a good result of my mix. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this little video of how I made my latest mix cover. This is not a tutorial, I only want to show you how I did it, and I hope if a few of you, my friends, see that I did something wrong, you can maybe tell me how to improve, how to do things better, and I hope you will write it down in the description below or in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, my friends. Bye.